1995 Ford Bronco. Customer states he was driving. Battery light came on, indicating he lost charging, and he got a weird smell coming from the engine compartment. What I found was the AC compressor locked up. Can't turn that, which caused the belt to snap. And what we're going to be doing today is removing the air conditioning compressor and installing a bypass pulley. This is Dorman part number 34150. And basically it's just taking place of the AC compressor. All right guys, first thing you want to do is recover the refrigerant. So make sure you use a machine or something that can recover the refrigerant without letting it go into the atmosphere. Recover all the Freon and then start on removal of the compressor. Start with removing the air intake hose. You got two clamps, one here, and then there's another clamp right here at the mass airflow sensor, and then a breather hose clamp that goes down here next to the oil filler. Disconnect the power switch to the compressor. The tab right here you push up on, pull it out. And then the line has a bolt right back here. Looks like a 10 millimeter. We got our 10 millimeter to remove the AC hoses. And then a 10 millimeter for the mounting bolts. Okay, so the belt melted itself to these pulleys. So we got to go ahead and clean these pulleys up best as possible. All right, got the pulleys cleaned up. I'm going to install the tensioner. The kit came with 3 bolts, some dowels, and another bolt, which we're not going to be using. And then it came with this washer, and this washer is to put underneath in case the pulley doesn't line up right, but we're going to try to install it without that for now. All right, and then we'll install the belt. All right, we got the belt routed. I don't know if you guys can see that. So now you're gonna install the intake hose back on, and you can route or zip tie the connectors for the compressor. Maybe to another harness, attach it, get the lines out of the way.